Alright, so yesterday I tried to get this up in the air and flying around. But, had a big problem with it because in here there's a little connector and sometimes this little black wire that you probably can't see because it's so bright right now comes loose, and that is the biggest issue with this little quad here. Is this cable here is not great, and out of the factory they did not do a good job of gluing the bits in there. So when you try to plug in the battery, sometimes one of the cables will come loose. In this case it was the black one, and so it wouldn't pair up to the remote. I'm going to try again, and we'll see if we can get a better flight and fight the wind. Today it's kind of windy, so yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Likey.